Midpoint theorem, the proof. First, the given. ABC is a triangle in which D and E are the midpoints of the sides AB and AC. Okay. AB and AC midpoints are D and E. To prove DE parallel to BC and DE equal to half of BC. DE parallel to BC and DE equal to half of BC. Construction. Extend DE up to F such that DE equal to EF. It means DE equal to EF. Take. Extend and join CF. And join CF. Now the proof. Proof in triangle ADA. AED and CEF. The first is AE equal to EC because E is the midpoint of AC. DE equal to EF by the construction, and the alternate vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So first AE equal to EC. Given or the midpoints, E is the midpoint, and DE equal to EF by construction. Okay. And the third angle AED equal to angle CEF, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AED congruent to triangle CEF by SAS congruence criteria. Okay. Now by CPCT. This angle equal to this by CPCT. It means angle DAE equal to angle FCE by CPCT. And the second AD equal to CF. AD equal to CF by CPCT. Okay. The angle A equal to angle C. They are forming alternate angle. Therefore, line AD parallel to CF. If alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Okay. Angle DAE and angle FCE are alternate angles and are equal. Therefore, AD parallel to CF. It means BD, the whole line parallel to CF. If AD parallel to CF, it means AB parallel to CF. Okay. BD parallel to CF. Now AD equal to CF and AD equal to BD because D is the midpoint. Therefore, BD equal to CF. If BD parallel to CF, BD equal to CF, therefore BCFD is a parallelogram. BD equal to CF and BD parallel to CF. Therefore, BDCF is a parallelogram. Now it is a parallelogram. It means BC equal to DF. Opposite sides are equal. BC equal to DF. We can write DF equal to 2 times of DE. BC equal to 2 times of DE, or DE equal to half of BC. The first part of the theorem is half of the third side and DE. Second part, BC parallel to DF. Y parallel opposite side of sides of parallelogram. Therefore, BC parallel to DE. Okay, hence proved. The midpoint theorem says that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it, and equal to half of it. Okay.